Dewalt Flexvolt brushless chainsaw in. My hope is to start doing my own milling at home. We're going to take a look at the power and what we can do at home with it. So it comes with a 9 amp battery if you buy the kit. It's a 9 amp and a 20 volt. It's a 3 amp and the 60 volt. That's why it's confusing in all the packaging. It says 3 amp, it means it's a 9 amp 20 volt flex volt battery, 3 amp battery. And it is huge compared to my face. It is gigantic. But it's got the most run time that's available in the flex volt. So you're gonna notice on the side here we have the chain tensioning. So down here, this turn will tense it up. This one will detension. It's keyless. You need no tool. You just use your fingers. The tighter we make it here, the tighter we make it down here. So there's my initial use of the Dewalt 60 volt brushless chainsaw. It's got plenty of power. I never once felt like I was out of power or using an electric chainsaw for that matter. It never stalled, never bogged down. Of course I was cutting smaller things this time. Make sure to tune in to my next video when I attach an Alaskan chainsaw mill unit to this and start slicing up boards. We'll see if it bogs down and if it can even handle it.